Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with another video. I'm super excited about this one. Today we are featuring Wiggins hair. Big shout out to Wiggins hair for sponsoring today's video. It's been a minute since I have collaborated with Wiggins hair. So let's get into it because I know if you clicked on this video, you saw the thumbnail and you want to see it. So this is a 13x4 lace front wig. She's 24 inches long. This has full parting space. Full parting space. She's 180 density. You can purchase this wig in straight or the body wave texture. I have the straight texture, and the actual color for this wig is number P4-613. So P4 is for the brown and the 613 are the highlights within this wig. This is Swiss lace, and you can purchase this in either 5x5 or 13x4. You can get this from 16 all the way up to 30. So yeah, this one, I love this wig. Oh, and this is a medium cap size. You can get different cap sizes. And I do want to let you know that I typically wear a medium cap size. This medium fit to the T. So I don't have much wiggle room. If my braids were bigger, I probably would have a little issue with it fitting. Like, I'm just going to say, if you typically wear medium to large, size up in the cap size, because that's like the only thing that I noticed. Otherwise, this wig is so beautiful. I bleached the knots when I got this wig. This was pre-plucked and they really plucked this. Like, I did additional plucking, but they did a really good job plucking this. The hairline was thin, like it wasn't dense at all. You could literally just take it out of the package, bleach the knots, and install it. But I did a little extra plucking. So for this, I didn't know if I wanted to do baby hairs or not. And originally, I was like, I'm not going to do baby hairs. And then at the very end of the video, I'm going to show you the picture that they use on the website. The model has baby hairs with this install, and I was like, oh, I have to do it. So we went back at the very end. Well, I went back at the very end and I added baby hairs to this install. But I am obsessed with this color. Love this color combination. The quality of the hair is really good. I use my flat iron on temperature setting 415, and I did not get any hair. Like, there was clean plates after running the flat iron through the hair. So that's a really good sign. This is 180 density, so it is a very full. It just looks so good. Like, as far as the length, I'm gonna say the 24 is true to length. It is a true 24 inch. I feel like this hair would hold a really good curl because of the texture. I could see it holding a good curl, but I don't want to curl this. I like the way it looks straight. I feel like we've seen this color combination in a body wave pattern, but the straight, I feel like it's perfect. So all the links for this will be down in the description box. This particular wig, construction, length, density, runs for about $370. I will have all the discount codes down in the description box. Make sure you grab you a discount code before you head to that website, because we talk about almost $400. So check the description box if you want to save some money. I know you want to save some money. So shout out to Wiggins hair for sponsoring this video. I want to thank you beauties for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Did I forget who I am? And how this goes.
Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
How am I up right now? I'm still down.
Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
How am I up right now? I'm still down. Niggas dying every day. What can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to think how they think and do what they say. But still do it. And if you don't wanna, they got a problem. Yeah.
Did I forget who I am?
How this goes? Did I forget who I am?
Chasing gold. Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
How am I up right now? I'm still down. Niggas dying every day. What can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to think how they think and do what they say. But still do it. And if you don't wanna, they got a problem.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just switched the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some free-war strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first-name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit?